A Dublin man sent a series of terrifying death threats to a social media influencer, saying he was going to throw acid in her face, butcher her, and shoot her and her boyfriend, it has been alleged. Craig O'Brien is accused of stalking and threatening to kill the woman in a series of distressing messages on Instagram. Gardaí said they believed he had become infatuated with her and deluded himself into thinking they had a relationship before he began harassing her over a 5-week period. Judge Paula Murphy refused to grant him bail at Dublin District Court and adjourned the case for the preparation of a book of evidence. Mr O'Brien of Thomond Road, Ballyfermot, is charged with 1 count of harassing and 5 of threatening to kill the woman, a successful social media influencer with a significant following. Objecting to bail, Garda Anthony Cunningham said it was alleged that the woman received a series of distressing and threatening messages on Instagram between July 27th and September the 1st last year. She was contacted 23 times by an account Gardaí believed to have been created by the accused with the sole intention of harassing her. The messages took the form of a delusional and prolonged one-sided conversation, and the woman did not reply at any stage, Garda Cunningham said. The woman reported that on September the 1st last year, she was contacted by another false account with 14 written messages and 9 voice messages. She told Gardaí she had no doubt the messages came from Mr O'Brien, as she recognised his writing style and his voice. Gardaí searched his home and seized electronic devices with evidence that allegedly linked him to the 2 false Instagram accounts. His phone was logged into one of them at the time of his arrest, Garda Cunningham said. Judge Murphy said the accused was presumed innocent, but she had considerable concerns that the witness could be interfered with if she granted bail. She remanded Mr O'Brien in custody to appear in Cloverhill District Court next Tuesday for the preparation of a book of evidence.